Hi everybody and welcome back to the Celtic Crocheter. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Leanna. You've made it to lesson 4 in the beginner series. So proud of you all. Today we're going to learn the double crochet stitch, otherwise known as the DC for short. It's a taller stitch, more open, creates a softer fabric, quick for blankets, sweaters or even shawls. So once you're ready, let's get started. Okay, to begin you need the same supplies as before, so you're going to need your 5mm hook, your medium weight yarn, otherwise known as worsted weight. I've already crocheted a chain of 13. If you're not sure how to make a chain, check out lesson 1 and 2 first. They'll help you get set up. Double crochet is taller than your single crochet and your half double crochet. It creates a loose, airy texture and works quickly, which makes it one of the most used stitches in crochet. It's perfect for bigger projects, drapery projects, and it's surprisingly simple once you get the hang of it. Okay, so let's make our first row. So you're going to yarn over. You're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, and you're going to insert your hook into the 4th chain from the hook. Wrap the yarn around and pull it through. You'll have 3 loops on your hook. Then you're going to wrap the yarn again, pull it through 2 loops on your hook, wrap it around again and pull it through the remaining 2. So that's your first double crochet. So we can do that again. Wrap around, into, wrap around again, out, wrap around through 2, wrap around through 1. 1, 2. Okay, one more time. I'll see if I can get this a little bit closer for you. So wrap around, insert the hook, wrap around and pull it through. 1, 2, 3 loops on your hook, wrap around, pull through 2, wrap around and pull through the remaining 2. So keep going with this, keep practicing. Okay, so as I said before, you can slow the video down at any point. And through the loop, 2, 2. So wrap, insert, wrap, pull it through, wrap, 2, wrap, 2. Okay, keep going to the end of the row. Okay, and again, you count your stitches, just as a reminder, the little V's on top. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Last little one's a little bit harder because it's twisted around a bit there. Okay, so 10. So then we are going to chain 3, turn your work, and then we're going to start with putting a double crochet in each stitch across again. And as I said, if you want to mark your first stitch of each row, just place a stitch marker in that and then do your chain 3 and then DC all the way across. So work up 10 rows of this and I will see you back here in a moment. And there you go. You have your swatch done now of DC stitches, excuse me. If you count them, these are easier to count than a lot of the other stitches. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so all that's left to do is weave in your ends as we've previously done, and that's another stitch learnt. So keep practicing all your stitches. Later in the series I will give you a pattern that will include
all of the stitches that we have done so far.
You did it. You've just learned how to do double crochet, which means now you know 4 of the most important beginner stitches: a chain, a single crochet, a half double, and a double crochet. In our next lesson, we'll take things a little bit further on how to look at increasing and decreasing crochet. Perfect for shaping your work. And thank you so much for joining me today. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment and let me know how it went. Until next time, happy crocheting.